Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in partnership. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, P invested 2000 rupees and Q invested 2500 rupees in a business. Friends, after 4 months, Q left and R joined with Y% of Q's capital. Y% of Q's capital. See friends, P has been in the business for only 12 months. Q left after 4 months. So Q was in the business only for 4 months into 4. See friends, this is the capital of R. Y% of 2500. Y% of 2500 means 25Y. 2500 into Y by 100. 25Y. Friends, Q was in the business for 8 months. Q left after 4 months and then R joined. That means R was in the business for 8 months. So now let us see their capitals ratio. This is 24,000. This is 10,000. This is 200Y. Friends, it is given that out of a total profit of 7,500, P gets 2,400. P gets 2,400. Friends, this means their profits are 10% of their investments. This is 10% of 24,000. So Q's profit must be 10% of 10,000. Friends, total profit 7,500. P plus Q gets 3,400. Then R's profit must be 4,100. This is 10% of his capital. 10% of 200Y. 10% of 200Y means 20Y. 20Y is equal to 4,100. Friends, Y is equal to 205. So friends, Y is equal to 205%. Friends, thank you. Have a nice day.